Hi everybody, I'm Arvind over here. Okay, unboxing the 620. Okay, Lumania for 620. Sorry for my voice, actually my voice is gone. But still I want to give you the unboxing of the 620. I've just got the 620, I just wanted the 620 and I've got the 620. So I'm just gonna unbox it and do it very fast. This video will be for 2 minutes because actually it's for spending. I'm gonna unbox it, but I'm not gonna do it like very fast so you do not get to know. As you know, I have bought this from UAE, Dubai. So like, it's different. So if it's different, I don't know. You will get it from other countries. So let's start first. First, I will you will have to open the VM. I just open it. I'll show you how I'm opening it. And you can see I've just opened the 620. As you can see, they have not done any plastic, they have just kept it in there like that. Back cover I have to clean. We will keep the mobile aside. And then you'll have to take off this. This is in Arabic, so because I am in UAE, I bought it from UAE. Not so like in English. All the information is in this and everything. Nothing else, it's just empty over here. And then they can keep it back. And 1 minute. And if you want, you can put it back. You get all info here. I'll just read it. And you get all the info. This is over here. We'd love to tell you more about the community services and how to recycle your old phone. Visit Nokia.com. You in this you can transfer your mobiles, old mobile. I had an old mobile. You can transfer the data without any wires from your old mobile to your Nokia Lumia 620 new one. And then you can keep this box carefully. You can keep it. And then I like to just, it's very easy. I already updated the Nokia Lumia 620 review. Now I'm going to do more things about it. I'm going to the next video will be of the iPhone 5 iOS 7 updated. About this iPhone 5, which is very good. I've also posted iMac videos, reviews, tips and tricks. And I just want you to comment, please subscribe. No subscribe, please give a like or comment. Please don't give a likes. At least give a comment. Please see this video. It's awesome. Bye.